Hello guys, I hope you're quite well. These are Stranger Things text effect, and this is for Apple OS, macOS for systems, and we came here. This is for the Windows. Okay, so this is Stranger Things, and this is PSD format. You can customize your any text into Stranger Things effect here. And here this is again, this is one effect, first effect, and same in PSD format. This is text effect 1, and the I show previous one is the text effect 2. I show effect 2 first. So this is in PSD format. And if you came here, this is front source artist tutorial readme, and this is a tutorial text how to create this, and the download link in the description. You just need to click this link to download, and you will come to my website GFX, and here in this article you can download it from here. Just click on download now and you can easily download it. Just now download, and it's about to start downloading. Wait for my internet connection, and yes, you can download from here. Thanks for watching this video. I hope this data is quite useful for you. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel and also like this video. Take care.